Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Lamb liver saute dish, detailed recipe, exquisite looking delicious flavor. The amount of food to be made in this video is enough for 40 people. How to cook lamb liver. I will show you important tricks. Previously shared recipe of Albanian livers, now lamb kebab sauteed. Ingredients for making lamb liver saute: 5 kilograms of lamb gras, 1.5 kilograms of onions, 1 kilogram green pepper, 2.5 kilograms of tomatoes, 2.5 kilograms of potatoes. Spices: black pepper, red pepper, cumin, thyme, salt, and crushed garlic. Liquid sunflower oil. Remove the membrane from the liver by hand. Lamb liver has a very thin membrane. No need to go into too much detail. Chop the lamb liver small. Add the chopped lamb lungs into the deep bowl. Add cold water and stir. Add to the strainer and wash. Wait for the water to drain completely. Peel onions and chop finely. Chopped onions can wait in container. Remove the seeds of green peppers, and chop. Can use bitter or non-bitter pepper. Chopped chilies can wait in container. Cut the ends to easily peel the tomatoes, and add boiling water.
Dün adamın birini 36 yaşında karısı varmış. Biz 19 yaşlarında 2 tane kızı var, 22 yaşında bir çocuğuna kaçmış. 22 yaşındaki çocuk da evliymiş. Ama 36 yaşında karıyla kaçmış. Kimseye güvenim kalmadı.
Close the lid and wait 5 minutes.
Bu yer seçiyor. Mesela buraya yarıyor, bizim köye yarıyor, bizim köye yarıyor, buraya yarıyor.
Add cold water after 5 minutes and peel the tomatoes with ease.
Yapıyor mu?
Chop peeled tomatoes. Add the chopped tomatoes into the container. Peel potatoes and chop the same length as other ingredients. Add the liquid sunflower oil to the pot and cook the chopped onions with stirring. You can add some sugar for quick cooking of onions. Use a wide cookware, and these cookware can be bottomless or aluminum. Add oil and allow to warm. Add liquid sunflower oil to the chopped and rehydrated lungs and mix. Add chopped green peppers. After the oil is warmed, add the chopped lamb liver and stir. Stir the lamb lungs for 2 minutes, the lungs will release blood and water. Now remove the lamb lungs from this water and add to the other pot. Stir the lamb liver over medium heat. Add the spices and crushed garlic, stir. It's raining, and as you can see, the landscape here is that way. add the chopped tomatoes. Cook by closing the lid for a while, can be 10 minutes. Fry the chopped potatoes in oil. Lamb gras in a fully cooked condition, now you can add it into a wide tray. Stir-fried potatoes on sauteed lamb liver. Lamb livers cooked and ready to be served. Beside this meal, salads or drinks as Aaron, my preference. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you in a new video, goodbye.